In this Backgammon quick setup guide, we will cover setting up the board and general rules of play. First, each player will take 15 checkers of their color and disperse them around the board like this. Then each player will roll one dice to determine which player goes first. On this roll, the white player would go first. Players will roll the dice when it is their turn and move their checkers around the board like so. White will move this way, brown will move this way towards their home board. A roll of a 1 and 3, white would move 1, 2, 3, and so on around the board until all of their checkers are inside of their home board. When a player rolls doubles, they will move one or multiple checkers, the number shown on the face of the dice, 2 times for each dice. In this scenario, where the player has rolled a pair of 5s, they will move any one checker 5 spaces or 4 checkers 5 spaces. They can move any of their checkers 5 spaces, and they will have a total of 4 moves of 5 during their turn. These are considered open points. These are considered closed points. One checker is on a point by itself. This is considered a blot. In this scenario, if brown rolled a 2 and moved its checker 1, 2, the checker would get moved to the bar and have to re-enter the board from the entry point and work its way all the way back around the board into white's home board. White's turn, their first move must be to roll the dice and enter the checker on the bar onto the playing field. If points are blocked and the checker is unable to enter the board, the white player loses their turn until they're able to enter the checker from the bar onto the board. Once a player has moved all of their checkers into the home board, they will begin to roll the dice and bear the checkers off the board. While bearing off, checkers will continue to be moved the same number shown on the face of the dice. A higher roll may also be used to bear off checkers. Once a player rolls the correct number to get all of their checkers off the board, they are the winner. In this scenario, white is the winner of the game. For a more in-depth breakdown of the rules and gameplay of Backgammon, definitely check out our ultimate guide to Backgammon. Also, if you want to learn how to win more than you lose, check out our video on core Backgammon strategies.